a pen with a soothing sandglass, a notebook that looks like a soft slice of cheese, and a pencil sharpener with a bright spring bird? Our new collection of creative school supplies will help you reduce your stress in class. School supply wars are in full swing. Students can't share a marker again. Apparently, this is caused by the stress. And Miss Smith is never stressed out. She has special stress-relieving school supplies. She can unleash all of her negative emotions on a soft notebook cover. We will need some rhombus-shaped makeup sponges. Cut them in half to get triangles. And paint them with acrylic paint using a brush. Let them dry. And attach soft triangles to a notebook with a hard cover. Interchange the colors. Cover the entire surface as far as possible. In addition to this, the teacher is fond of looking at the sand in her pink egg timer pen, but now it is time to shift her attention away from it and calm the girls down. Miss Smith is a true peacemaker. She hurries up to the girls with her stress-relieving stuff. The Curly Sue gets a soft notebook with sponges on the cover, and Miss Smith distracts the blue-eyed girl using an unusual pen with a sandglass. Cut a pen with a heated knife. Attach an egg timer with colored sand to the top part of the pen. Decorate the joining chenille stem of appropriate color. Miss Smith's plan works well. The girls forget about their fight at once. They do want to be soft and calm with the spongy notebook and the soothing pen. The marker war is over. Our teacher doesn't have any space left in her notebook. Bummer! You have too many wise thoughts, Miss Smith, and the notebook can't cope with all of them. But don't worry, we have made a cheese notebook with a funny mouse for you. Cut bath sponges so that you only have the yellow spongy layer left. Cut 2 identical triangle sponges using a template. Trace the same template on a piece of yellow felt to make 2 triangles. Leave a little gap between them. Cut out and hot glue a stack of paper triangles inside. Hot glue the sponges to both sides of the felt. Draw a mouse silhouette on a piece of pink felt. Cut it out. Attach a thin rope so that it looks like a tail. Draw the details with a black marker. Use the tail as a bookmark. Miss Smith really likes her new notebook. All of her wise quotes and sayings will be safely kept in it, and the mouse on the cover will guard all of her secrets. All pens on the table must have declared a boycott. Whichever pen I take, it refuses to write. What the heck is it? The blue-eyed girl is on the edge already, but Miss Smith comes to the rescue. She has a weird long pen in her hands. Take a plug and a refill out of a pen. Knead some soft clay and wrap it around the refill. Roll it between your palms and stretch it out a bit. Make little balls from the soft clay of a different color and attach them to the pen. Let the clay dry. Redhead manages to snatch the pen out quicker than her friend. These school supplies are so funny. You may twist and bend the tail however you want. Moreover, when the pen writes, it shakes in a funny way right in front of the blue-eyed girl's nose. Redhead shouldn't have teased her friend. The blue-eyed girl might see red. It's great that Redhead's got a soothing thing in her pencil case. It's not antidepressant pills. It's an eraser with a mini lava lamp. Add green coloring to water. Fill an empty Tic Tac box with vegetable oil. Take a needle off a syringe and fill it with the colored water. Dip it into the oil. Attach the lid to the box with super glue. Fasten the opening flap in the same way. Trim a colorful eraser to fit the size of the box and attach it to the bottom using super glue. My friend is mesmerized by the weird lava lamp. She keeps turning the box in her hand.